I need an oil pan kit for my 2011 B8S4, and I've been hesitant to order aftermarket versus OEM. Um, you don't have to go OEM for stuff like this, and so typically, Audi does not make oil pan gaskets, so they're going to use an outside supplier. I know in the past, like L-Ring or Victor Rines are the OE suppliers for Audi, and so after these aftermarket companies make them for Audi, they also release them to the aftermarket. So you're essentially getting an OEM part. It's just not sold by Audi. It's direct from the aftermarket company. So I would say if it's from a quality supplier like Victor Rines or L-Ring, there's others, then zero concerns there. Um, if it's some weird Chinese brand name like
Yeah,
XY,
right. Some Amazon letter selling.
Yeah, it's like some Amazon China brand. You're gonna want to be pretty cautious there. So, um, yeah, and then also like house brands from companies like Rock Auto and AutoZone and stuff. Those are likely just out of a Chinese catalog. Not to say that things made in China are bad, but um, a lot of times they're just it's just in a huge catalog of OE parts that are being copied, and there's not always the thought or concern or quality being put into the parts. So compared to like a Victor Rines or L-Ring gasket, we do have stuff made in China, but we closely track
it's all about
and
the QC,
the quality, and it's built to the specifications that we know make it a quality product. But when you're like, let's say you're an auto parts company and you want to have a line of tens of thousands of OE replacement parts for various cars, you're just literally buying like out of a catalog from somebody, and there's no real thought or concern or effort being put into a 2011 B8S4 oil pan gasket.
No, it's a race to the bottom.
It's just a white labeled product line,
commodity item.
Some factory in China is doing. So just be careful, and I think that's where your concern is coming from. You probably don't want to buy something like that. You want to buy something that's been engineered, and that's where like a quality European supplier in general is always going to deliver a good quality product like that. And they are basically OE factory stuff for less money, because Audi buys it, and if you think I think about this a lot. I don't know if you guys think about this, but like how difficult it is for Audi to bring, like when you go to the dealership and you pay some ridiculous amount of money for a $4 bolt. Just think, like somewhere at Audi somebody ordered that bolt, and it went to somewhere in Europe, and then it went to another place, and then another place, and then it eventually came to a U.S. distribution hub, and so it's changed hands, and 5-10 times before you got that bolt, and maybe the bolt was purchased for 10 cents, but just think about how much money Audi spent getting that bolt to Alpharetta, Georgia, or wherever you are, so they're going to have to crank the price up just to not go out of business selling that thing and making it available for you. But if you buy it from Victor Rines, chances are, ECS or FCP bought it right from Victor Rines. It shows up in their warehouse. They ship it to you. So, there's a lot less middlemen.
Yep.